Hello, my name is Phil Nolt, and this is my introduction presentation for Edfn 530. A little bit about myself. I'm married to my wife, Caitlin. We'll be celebrating our 4-year anniversary here in June. We have a son together, Carson, who's now 18 months old. That picture you see there is, I believe, from last summer. We're expecting another boy in September, so we're really excited about that. My education, I did my undergrad studies at Millersville, studied technology and engineering education. I did my master's degree at Concordia. I got my curriculum and instruction in STEM. I chose this program at Millersville, the STEM program, just to gain additional certification in STEM and just to hear new ideas and different opinions on STEM and ways to improve our programs. Some of my hobbies and interests include spending time with family and friends, watching sports. I'm a big Philly sports fan, so I enjoy watching the Eagles, the Phillies. Obviously, last year was a great year for the Eagle fans. I enjoy playing sports, golfing, basketball, playing church softball, etc. I also enjoy working with my hands, doing woodworking, and also home improvement projects. My teaching experience, I work at Dallastown Area High School in York County. This is going to be my 6th year next year. As a technology and engineering teacher, we have a big STEM focus in our department and also a focus on engineering and design. The courses that I personally teach include woodworking, robotics, and electronics. The woodworking, we've recently updated some of our technology. We now use laser engravers, CNC machines, 3D printers, which are a lot of fun to use and to teach students about. We also use SketchUp, which is a CAD program throughout the design process of student projects. In robotics, we use the VEX platform, and electronics, we use the Arduino microcontrollers. You may have heard of them before. In the first readings of the course, the Chapuis, I think I pronounced that right, and the Gupta, a few of the differences I noticed was that Chapuis focused on the assessment for learning, while Gupta did the assessment as learning. The assessment for learning, where these assessments give feedback to the teachers to adjust the teaching and learning as needed, while the assessment as learning, the students are learning, self-correcting, and collaborating during the assessment by themselves in a way. The Chapuis, I see more teacher interaction and feedback along the way. Gupta, meanwhile, it seems like there's less teacher interaction and feedback. It's more students working together to kind of figure things out as they go. The Chapuis method seems to align more with the traditional pedagogy, where it's teacher-driven. They instruct, students practice, teachers give feedback to the students. There's an adjustment period, and then there's like a final reflection. So it seems very traditional to my personal philosophy. On the other hand, the Gupta method seems to align more with the STEM pedagogy, where there's an authentic, real-world problem-solving opportunity. I think there's deeper learning through that method, and it seems a lot more student-driven. Some of the similarities, the main similarity I saw between the two methods was that there's an emphasis on the student role in assessment, really emphasizing students taking on an active role in their learning. The Chapuis method, you could see the goal setting, peer feedback, self-assessment, reflecting on learning, while the Gupta method, students are discovering, collaborating with peers, discussion, reflecting, a lot of student-centered learning. Learning is the aim for both methods, not really the grades. My personal philosophy aligns more with the Gupta model, student-centered, teachers out of the spotlight. I like students to learn on their own without me kind of driving everything. I like students discovering, investigating on their own, and allowing them to fail and work through problems. All right, so that concludes my presentation.